So good, I feel like I need to serenade it. Pure comfort in a bowl. To the ingredients. 2 yellow onions, thinly sliced. Take 1 stick of unsalted butter, cut it into pats, and drop it on there. Smoked paprika, like a teaspoon or so. Black pepper, teaspoon or so. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, pat them dry with some paper towels. Place your chicken in a bowl, season it with pepper as much as you like, and French onion seasoning. You could use Liptons or you could use this Dano stuff. It's amazing. The whole packet. Then you take your gloved hand and you just mix, add 2 cups of chicken broth, just like that. And then 1 10.5 ounce can of French onion soup. 2 heaping tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1/2 cup of heavy whooping cream. Cover with a lid, cook on low for 5 to 6 hours or on high for 3 to 4. Now we're going to add in about 1.5 cups of freshly grated smoked gruyere. Pour it in there. And 6 slices of aged Swiss cheese. Cover it back up and you cook it for 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes. You just want all the cheese to get melted. Just like that. Serve it over mashed potatoes, garnish with freshly chopped parsley right out of the garden. That cheese. French onion chicken in the crock pot.